Hello, welcome back to our tutorial on polygons. This video is going to do another kind of work examples. Previous video, I've shown you how to find the interior angle, how to find the exterior angle, how to find the sum of the interior angles. This time around, we're going to get something different. They give you the interior angle and they give you an exterior angle. Find the number of sides. Okay, so let's look at A4 here. A part 4, A4. Calculate the number of sides of a regular polygon if each interior angle is as follows. I'm going to pick one and I'm going to use 120. Okay, so if the interior angle, equals to 120 degrees, we need to find the number of sides. Okay, find n. Okay, and the good thing about this is it is a regular polygon, and usually if they give you one value only, it has to be a regular polygon. Okay, so yeah, that's the bonus thing. Because it's a regular polygon, it makes our job easier. So how to get the value of one interior angle? We take the value to find the value of one interior angle. We take the sum, 180 degrees multiplied by n minus 2 divided by the number of sides to get one interior angle. And in this case, we have 120 degrees. This is the same as what we did in previous example. I'm just going to show you. Okay, so after we find the sum of interior angle, we divide by the number of sides. Okay, so we form an equation. This is the sum of the interior angle, this part, this number of sides, that will give you the value of one interior angle. Okay, so we are going to solve this. Okay, we're going to solve this equation. So we have 180n minus 360 degrees equals to 120 degrees n here, because what I did is just cross multiply. Okay, and the next step is just put them to one side and solve for n, right? So in that I will have 60 degrees n here equals to 360 degrees. Therefore, n equals to 360 divided by 60, right? And we get 6. So in this case, n is equals to 6, which is a hexagon. Okay, I know some of you might find this is a bit lengthy, right? Yes, I do agree this is a bit lengthy, and therefore I'm going to show you another way to find the number of sides for this question, which is the second method. Okay, just pay attention for a bit. Okay, this is going to be how I do part 5, A5 here. Calculate the number of sides of a regular polygon if the exterior angle is whatsoever degrees. Okay, so A4 and A5 can be done the same way. Okay, so based on our question right now, back to number 3, where the interior angle is 120 degrees. Okay, so from here, if the interior angle is 120 degrees, I can say the exterior angle equals to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, which is 60 degrees. So the exterior angle for this polygon is 60 degrees, and all the exterior angles is 60 degrees. And we know the sum, right? The sum of exterior angles equals to 360 degrees, regardless of the number of sides. That means to get n is simply 360 degrees divided by 60, and you get n equals to 6, which is the same as what we get in the previous method. Okay, so it's much simpler, involves lesser steps, lesser working. You just simply need to find out what is the exterior angle and just take 360 divided by 60 degrees. That's it. Okay, you don't even need to write down this thing, because this is the piece of information that you're using. This is not really a working step. Okay, so find the exterior angle and then take the sum of exterior angle divided by the value, and then you get the value of n. Okay, very, very simple. Okay, so I've done A4 and A5 for you. If they give you the interior angle and they give the exterior angle, you should be able to find out the number of sides. Okay, so the next video that I'm going to go through we'll be going through these further word problems involving the interior and the exterior angle. Okay, till then, catch you in a bit.